Honestly, I have no idea from where I should start today. I need to take all the brake lines down. I would start with the easy one. This one first. Long time ago, in 2006, I bought my 3000 GT. I dream about this car from 1998. In 2006, I have a friend in Germany. He was a car dealer. Back then, I don't speak German at all. So this guy, he helped me to find the car and to buy the car. He done all the work. He called to the sellers, speak with the sellers, speak about price. The seller want 14,500 euro, and I said that I don't need any insurance, I don't need guarantee, I just want the car. I will buy a car and I will never come back and I will never ask any questions. I just want a car. I bought the car in Germany in a city called Mayen. After a couple of years I find out that Mayen is close to the green hell. The guy who sold me a car, he was a Mitsubishi car dealer and it was his private 3000 GT. And important, he want 14,500 euro. But if the car goes for export from Germany, then you don't need to pay 90% on top. So that's why I pay 9,400 euro for my 3000 GT. The previous owner, he made with me a test drive. He explained me everything. Said that I should put attention always on the oil temperature. Never drive fast cold. He did a good job because he explained me everything that I need to know, because for me it was just a dream car and actually I cannot think with my head. I was just so excited and red because I just see the car in life and I cannot believe that I'm buying the car. I'm buying my dream, Mitsubishi 3000 GT. After I go to the police station to do all the papers, and the guy who did all the papers in the police, he just asked me at least 20 or 50 times where you go. And I said, yeah, we go to Berlin, because actually he did the car for export. And then he was like, oh my God, this is a misunderstanding because of the language. Poor luck. So he make the papers for export. Then he changed the papers and give us other car plates. That's why I didn't pay 90% of taxes in Germany. Poor luck. Like you see, WD-40 not always help, because this one is broken one. Let's try another bolt. Maybe it will not break. For the brake lines, you actually have a special tool, but I don't have a special tool and I try with the normal one. I'm really careful because I don't want to break anything. I don't want to break because I need all the sizes to make it a new one. One more broken screw. It's unreal to untie all these brake line bolts. They are so rusted that it's impossible. Why do you need a sword in a garage? Obviously, to saw. Looks like garbage. I need a new one. The body is rusted, but not that much. What is really rusted is the fasteners. They are rotten through. So now back to story. I bought the car and the car have 160,000 kilometers on the clock. Now I have 280,000. The first 2 years 2007, 2008, I drove almost 100,000 kilometers, and then I put it in a garage and I bought the second car and I started to use 3000 GT as a car of day off. And it was the biggest mistake. It's 8 o'clock in the evening. The police and ambulance cars driving on the street. All the people go out into the balcony and clap, saying thank you that they still are working and trying to do them best. Coronavirus. Everybody sit at home, not allowed to go out, and I sneak to my garage, to my cave.
Карантин.
Hard decision. I will not repair anything. Unfortunately, I will not repair anything. I decided to restore. Like in the first video I said, slowly take apart, sandblast. I need to take apart all the car, to take the suspension down, to take the motor out, everything completely rebuilding first, restore, sandblasting, and then to put back together like a new one. Fixing is over. I start with one thing and it goes like a snowball. Over. Let's start the restoration step by step. This is a hobby. This is how it should be.